First, we need to figure out what is Mesoamerica. Meso means middle, and these Mesoamerican cultures are the early advanced civilizations of Mexico and Central America. First, there were many unique groups inhabiting this region over time, but for our purposes, we are going to focus in on the Olmec, the Maya, and the Aztecs. The first great civilization in Mesoamerica is the Olmec. The Olmec were the first complex society in the region. Their name comes from what the Aztecs refer to them by, the rubber people, or in the language of the Aztecs, the Olmec. The Olmec did in fact grow rubber trees and harvest rubber. One of their uses of the harvest was to make rubber balls for a ritualistic ball game. Now, the Olmec inhabited a small area of about 125 by 50 miles in what is today southern Mexico, from around 1400 BCE to about 400 BCE. The dates vary amongst research. The Olmecs emerged greatly because the area they inhabited was a great natural habitat. There was good soil and plenty of water. The area's river system made for a similar environment to places like the Nile and the Indus River valleys. The Olmec developed the first written language and numbering system in Mesoamerica. The Olmec built cities and acquired great wealth. They have left amazing artifacts like this jade mask and this giant head, which is just one of the many enormous heads left by the Olmec in the region. Being the first civilization of its kind in Mesoamerica, the Olmec greatly influenced other cultures' development in the region. It's looked to as a mother culture of the region. The Maya flourished with their great cities from about 250 CE until around 1400. They covered southern Mexico, Guatemala, and Honduras. They had a highly developed written language and mathematics. Plus, they had an amazing knowledge of astronomy. Their cities were amazing urban centers. They included amazing pyramids like this from Tikal, one of the largest sites left of the Maya. The Maya were ruled by an aristocratic nobility, like this guy, and they had elaborate funeral practices. One thing many people might appreciate is that they used cocoa beans as currency. Imagine if we could use chocolate bars as money today. The Maya are greatly known now for their mysteries. But truth be told, it really isn't that mysterious. One big one, the first mystery, is the Mayan disappearance. Where did they go?